Hello guys, hi. Yeah, you can hear an echo in here. I'm just excited to show you the finished product of our laundry.
I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good.
And welcome to my channel once again. If you're new to my channel, you are welcome, and please subscribe so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. I hope you enjoy this video, guys. If you watched my previous video, kitchen remodel one, you might have mentioned that I will be doing the laundry reveal so that you can see how the old kitchen cupboards were used in this laundry. My husband did a really good job, because all the cabinets that were in this kitchen, all these cabinets, he used them in the laundry, and it looks really good. Check it out. I'm trying to use my ring light. Guys, it's been raining. I don't have enough light. We haven't had sunshine for a while now. Rain for the past days, so I can't delay this video anymore because of light, but more light. And this is how the renovations began. I wasn't here most of the time. I was in college. That's why I didn't capture how the cupboards were mounted up. It was about saving, and we used all the kitchen cabinets, old kitchen cabinets. So I will just give you a quick tour of this laundry. It's not that big anyway. It's big enough for us, but it's not like a massive grand tour, no. Anyway, DIY, and how great is that? Hubby did all this by himself. He put up all the shelves by himself. At the corner here we had a very huge dryer which we didn't need, so we took out the dryer. Just remodeling using the same material, same cupboards, nothing changed. Here there was nothing. Just empty wall like this all the way. So this wall here was brought down, and there was just a hallway or a corridor here heading to that side. So it's sealed. And now I have, which was a pantry cupboard here, and then we brought this and hung this here just to put anything we want to hang in there, we can hang. Here there was nothing in this space here, so we put our washing machine there. So yeah, just a big huge sink. There's nothing under here. This was the only cupboard they had in this laundry, and this was the only space here. And then here there was nothing, only two shelves. As you can see, just two shelves were there. We had to fix some tiles. We added a tile here. It was kind of loose, so that was fixed. And then we hang this here. I'll show you how you use them. I feel like we can use this for more storage if we like. This wall, it's just plain wall, there's nothing in it, and it runs all the way to the back of the bed. If all is done, it's just a matter of arranging things in order. I really have a lot to arrange, guys. Let's start. So you can look at all what I want to arrange. All this. So what I'll do, I'll arrange my towels, sheets, here. There's a little music. We should have a way of arranging the linen. So what I'm going to do in this cupboard, I just want to arrange. I like to color code my towels and sheets. That is what I'm going to do right now. Just try and arrange everything color coding. Yeah. Wait till you see how I fold the towels. I usually have my technique of folding the towels, and it really looks neat. When I arrange them in the cupboard, it looks more neat and the colors really look beautiful in the cupboards. Just wait and see. More towels. And you might think it's easy to arrange these towels. It's not easy at all. By the time I finished this cupboard, it was almost 45 minutes of folding. So you can imagine how long the whole laundry took. With me are bathroom mats. I also keep my bathroom mats in here. Floor towels, whatever you want to call them. Next is my hand towels. I go next here because here is going to be face wash as well. So these are hand towels. And we have face washers. And my babies are keeping company. Cupboard is done, guys. I place new and open detergent at the back, and then those that I've used or I use all the time at the front. So, and I have very heavy detergent, hospital detergents. This one goes down. Down here is serving me well with disinfectant. That is done. We're going up. Mamma mia, mamma mia! I got my puppy's grooming shampoos and all that, and is segmenting this little cupboard for that. Right here, shampoo, foot spray, and that is my puppies, shampoos and all, perfect for this little cupboard. Laundry for a while. Hey guys, I've finished the arrangement. It's a little dark, so forgive me. Like I said, we are just starting to have a little sunshine coming out at 3 o'clock. Anyway, here is the laundry. I put everything inside. Gloves there, puppy grooming on the shelf. And look at this now, guys. This is what I meant. See, you just pull it out just for hanging brooms and mops, and then you just come and stick it up like that, and it holds. Yeah, it holds my mops. Added a little plant there. Right, how did that turn out, guys? Got a nice little laundry, yeah. Okay guys, cheers, cheers. I hope you like my video. Please share it with your friends, comment, like, thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. I love you all.